Greetings, welcome back to my channel. The Super Dell is done. I have the i7-3770 installed. I had to use the original CPU cooler because the Dell doesn't have a backplate. It just goes right to the case. So I repasted it with some thermal grizzly and used the original cooler. It's got the Cool Moon three fan set, as you can see. There she is right there. One of the fans from one of the coolers I put in down the side down here, and I used the 4-pin to 5-pin adapter and just put the original CPU cooler back on it. But check it out, here we go. Oh yeah, that's the 5500 XT AMD. Put a little caution sticker down in there, and that has two-sided sticker tape on it because I didn't want to drill the case out. I didn't want you to see that there was going to be any modifications until you turned it on. But I'll probably drill out some holes out there in there to give that fan a little more breathing room. Anyway, yep, the Rosewill 550 power supply is in there. Core i7-3770, Kingston HyperX, 16GB kit. Yep, ripping out that front end was fun. These are all fun. I did some cable management the best I could do here. That will just unplug. So, yep. She's running Counter-Strike at about 150 frames per second at high resolution, running Super FX resolution. Not bad, and she's staying about 62 degrees during those tests and about 54 to 55 degrees during Cinebench R23. So cooling solution seems to be working. I wish I would have been able to put on that cooler, but you know, you can't win them all. Besides, I got the fan on the side there, so that's kind of cool. Yep, really had fun with this one. I'm super glad the way it came out. It's pretty cool. Anyway, well, thanks for watching, and maybe I'll post a video of this thing benching out or something. Anyway, the Super Dell Nator, the Wraith is what I'm going to call her. The Wraith. Thanks for watching my channel. Bye-bye.